Is it time to buy or sell MULN Automotive stock? In this video, we're diving deep into MULN Automotive. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of June, in the year 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of June, 2025, our system has categorized MULN Automotive as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.32. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to observe this evaluation to see how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of nearly 29% decrease over the coming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from a complete loss to approximately 1,454%. In examining the longer term, our analysis over a 12-month period indicates a projected change of nearly 100% decrease. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from a total loss to a decrease of just over 100% over the next year. In present terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between 0 and just under 511 ten-thousandths of a dollar. Our latest daily update from MULN Automotive includes the headline, High Volatility in MULN Automotive Stock Price on Thursday, which ended trading at $8.11. The MULN Automotive stock price fell by 49.63% on the last day, Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, from $16.10 to $8.11. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 147.55%, with a day low at $7.15 and a day high of $17.70. The price has fallen in 9 of the last 10 days and is down by 52.24% for this period. Volume decreased on the last day, along with the stock, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 25 million shares, with a total of 7 million shares bought and sold for approximately $57.63 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $34,586 and the lowest price was 10.1 cents. Currently, the price is 99.98%, or $34,577.89, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $4,518,091,691.89, below the all-time high on August 5th, 2020, when the price reached $4,518,191,700. MULN Automotive's recent developments have stirred significant movement in its stock, MULN, as the company achieves major milestones. On the 5th of June, 2025, Bollinger Motors announced its emergence from receivership following a settlement concerning a lawsuit with its founder. MULN has increased its stake in Bollinger Motors to 95%, thereby solidifying its control and eliminating considerable debt, which increases shareholder equity by approximately $3.5 million. This positive shift directly influences MULN's short-term stock prospects, likely boosting investor confidence and potentially raising its market value. In addition, MULN is set to launch its ultra-high-performance 5RS electric vehicle crossover, with plans for sales in Germany by December 2025, capitalizing on the growing demand for electric vehicles in international markets. This expansion plan fosters optimism about future revenue growth, supporting the stock's upward trajectory in the medium to long term. After experiencing over a 100% price surge recently, this momentum is a strong indicator for investors. Despite previous legal inquiries, the recent strategic transformations position MULN favorably in the electric vehicle landscape. Overall, these developments are expected to positively affect MULN stock as investor sentiment improves and operational growth potential becomes clearer. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 1st of November, 2022, it was reported that Citigroup assigned MULN a reduce grade along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned MULN Automotive stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio and price-to-book ratio both as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have similarly given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MULN Automotive. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The MULN Automotive stock is displaying sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, leading to a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $9.90 and $35.51. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 49.63%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk since volume should align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 3 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for MULN Automotive. MULN Automotive finds support from accumulated volume at $7.95. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $10.55 between its high and low, representing a change of 147.55%. In the last week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 1,389.98%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MULN Automotive, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 11th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MULN Automotive. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MULN Automotive is at $8.21. If you do not own any shares, you may want to consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MULN Automotive encounters its first support level at $7.95. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MULN Automotive from multiple analyst sources is sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 4th day of April in the year 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider sell of 2,012,436 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd day of April in the year 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider buy of 546,706 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd day of April in the year 2025, HRT Financial LP conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of Class A shares. On the 3rd day of March in the year 2025, Winter Mary conducted an insider buy of 62,000 shares of common stock. On the 5th day of March in the year 2025, Winter Mary conducted an insider sell of 62,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 41.498. Overall, insiders purchased 199,918,796 shares and sold 67,050,264 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MULN Automotive stock a good buy? MULN Automotive presents several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is negative. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of June, we predict MULN Automotive will open higher by $2.88, starting at $10.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.